While walking around the lake today, I thought how many creators are stuck trying to grow their channels because their views and subs are lower than usual. Let me know in the comments below if you're currently stuck trying to grow your YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the top tactics and strategies to grow your YouTube channel in the coming year. Number 1, define your target audience. Before you start creating your content, it's important to know who your target audience is. This will help you tailor your content and messaging to the right people that want to consume your content. One of the best ways to do this is to look at YouTube Analytics and click on the Audience tab, and you'll be able to see the demographics of your target audience. The age, gender, country they come from, what other videos they watch, and what other channels they watch. You can also use the Research tab to look for content gaps on your YouTube channel. Number 2, create a consistent schedule. One of the keys to growing a YouTube channel is to consistently produce and publish new content. Try to determine a schedule that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. This will help keep your audience engaged and keep coming back for more. For example, I try to upload a regular video every Tuesday and then might publish a short later on in the week. Over the 16 years that I grew my YouTube channel, the key factor to success was being consistent. One of the best ways to be consistent is to batch script and batch film your videos so you won't get stressed out trying to keep up with your upload schedule. Number 3, optimize your title and description. Your title plays a crucial role in helping your video get discovered in the search engines, on the YouTube homepage, and in suggested videos. It's one of the first things that people see beside your thumbnail, which I'll discuss later. If you're just starting out on YouTube or have a small channel, I highly recommend looking for those search terms that people are entering into the search engines to find your particular niche. If you rank for those search terms on YouTube and Google, you get a lot of evergreen traffic for years to come. If you have an established channel, look in YouTube Analytics for those search terms that people are finding your videos via suggested videos or on YouTube search. Avoid just creating titles for the search engines, but also try to satisfy the curiosity of your viewers. If you do that, you'll have success. When you write a video description, try to include your main keywords in the description because it'll help your videos get found in the search engines. Keep in mind that the first 3 lines of your video description is what viewers see while they're watching your video. Number 4, upload a custom thumbnail image. Your thumbnail is the first thing that people see when they come across your video in the search engines or on the YouTube homepage. Make sure you use eye-catching and compelling thumbnail images to entice people to click on your videos. Try to avoid the mistake of using the same text in your thumbnail as you would in your title. Instead, try to arouse curiosity in your thumbnail so people are more likely to click on it. Keep in mind that your title and thumbnail should complement each other to win the click. Number 5, engage with your audience. Interacting with your audience is a crucial part of building a successful YouTube channel. Make sure you reply to comments left by viewers under your videos and engage with other creators. Another great way to engage with your target audience is to post to your community tab. You can add polls, videos, images, and even do image polls. If you currently don't have the community tab because you're under 500 subscribers, watch a video that I've left in the description on how to get the community tab even if your channel is under 500 subscribers. Number 6, collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators helps expose your content to a different audience and may enable you to expose your content to their audience and their content to your audience. Number 7, utilize video SEO. Just like traditional optimization, it's important to optimize your videos for the search engines, particularly if you're just starting out or have a small channel. For example, you can use the free online site answerthepublic.com to find the most frequently asked questions in your niche. Just enter your main keyword in the search box and you'll discover the most frequently asked questions. You can also install the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy to find the most searched words for your niche. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. Another thing you can do to help your videos get discovered is to include closed captions on your videos. I'll include a link on how to do this in the description below this video. Another thing I recommend is to add video chapters in the description below your video. Often this helps to improve the retention on your videos. Number 8, promote your videos. Don't just rely on the YouTube algorithm for your viewers to discover your videos. Promote your video on social media sites as well as on your email list if you have one. If you have a Facebook group, promote it on your group and also promote it on your community tab. Another great way to promote your video is to add it to a playlist containing videos that are related to the one that they've just watched. You can also promote the next video to watch by pinning it to the top of your comments. If you use some of these strategies for promotion, you don't have to rely on the search engines. Keep in mind that one of the highest traffic sources for YouTube is suggested videos. So if you keep people longer on the video platform, they're more inclined to binge watch multiple videos in a row. Number 9, analyze your data. YouTube provides a wealth of data on how your videos are performing in the search engines, in suggested videos, and elsewhere. Make sure you regularly check your analytics so you can optimize your future videos. One of the best things to check for is your audience retention graph and your click-through rate. If you get a high audience retention on your videos, that means people are engaged on your video. If you get a high click-through rate, that means many people are clicking and watching your videos. If you get dips in your audience retention graph, that means people are leaving or bored with your content. When you make a next video, try to increase your audience retention and your click-through rate. If you do this, more of your videos will be suggested and recommended by YouTube. Number 10, keep learning and experimenting. The YouTube landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up with the latest trends and best practices. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things to see what works for your YouTube channel. One small tweak can make a big difference. I hope these 10 strategies have given you some helpful ideas to grow your YouTube channel in 2023. Remember, consistency and engagement is key, so keep producing high quality content and engage with your viewers. If you want to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel in 2023, watch the video on the screen right now for 10 killer ways to grow your channel using YouTube Shorts. You'll be glad you did.